If your desired score is 65 and 79 plus, here are some tips and the questions that you need to focus. The first is reading, writing fill the blanks, and reading fill the blanks. Don't go with your intuition. Just understand the context and the meaning so that you can find an answer and you can choose. The second is repeat sentence. Focus on the fluency. നമ്മൾ എല്ലാ വേർഡും നമ്മൾ ഓർക്കുമ്പോഴാണ് ഫ്ലുവൻസിയിൽ നമുക്ക് മാർക്ക് കുറയുന്നത്. Try to remember the 50% of the content. Be fluent, be clear, and be natural. What you can do is you can break down the words. Our sentences like words you can break down and you can remember and you can respond. The third is a spelling mistake. Spelling mistake എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും listening fill the blanks and write from dictation, summarize certain text, essay, summarize spoken text spelling check ചെയ്ത് proof ചെയ്തിട്ട് submit ചെയ്യുക because it gives more marks to your writing section. Next is read aloud. Maintain a natural pace. Natural pace la vaikya. Don't go too fast. Don't go too slow. Speak clearly, naturally. And the next one is write from dictation, which is very important question. The last question ആണ്. And you have to focus on the spellings. So നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഒരു സ്പെല്ലിങ്ങിൻ്റെ കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ you can add a word because there is no negative marking. Don't add too much of words in write from dictation. Last but not least is a highlight incorrect words which gives negative marking. So if you're not sure of that word, don't click. So see you in next video.